We are back at Salare, a spot where locals and foodies alike can enjoy a diverse menu prepared by critically acclaimed chef Eduardo Jordan.
We have friends who lives in New York, and he's quite the foodie. Like 2 years ago, he knew about the chef here.
Well, I think your name kind of precedes you. Like, people are like, oh, that's Eduardo's
I'm still the same old person.
Chef Jordan loves providing his neighborhood with a casual gathering place that can also serve up refined, detail-oriented dishes.
You know, our attention to detail is just as superior, up on the same level as, you know, some of the 3-star Michelin restaurants that I worked in. Our intensity, our workload, you know, it's all heavy. So, you know, it's a pretty intense kitchen still.
Yeah.
You know, even though we're here in the neighborhood, you know, serving the neighbors.
You know, they have every ingredient locally grown. I'm originally not from the area, so for me it was a very new experience, and I can definitely tell the difference, and I appreciate it.
So what are we going to make today?
So we're gonna highlight beets today, making beets exciting. Everyone has had probably a beet salad. We're using 2 types of beet, the cylinder beets or torpedo beets. We're using some yellow beets that we both roasted off. We normally roast them off in some citrus zest like lemon, some warming spices like cinnamon, allspice, cloves.
That right there reminds me of my childhood.
Awesome.
And what is this here?
And then we have fermented beets, just bringing a little bit of funk and acidity to the plate without like true acid. And we're gonna start with a gremolata, so I'm gonna ask you to help me out.
Okay.
Eduardo has me pick some mint leaves while he chops pistachios.
You need more?
That'd be
looks
enough.
okay.
Are you getting tired already?
No,
While Eduardo chops my mint, I take on a new job zesting limes, lemons, and blood oranges.
You're really putting me to work here.
Oh yeah. You walked into my kitchen. Are you supposed to just eat? No way.
Well,
We add the chopped mint leaves and some garlic to the bowl and finish the garnish off with some oil.
Okay, you want to build a salad now?
yeah, let's do it.
Gonna have some fun building the salad with me.
So I noticed that, you know, when you're in the kitchen here at Salare, you're tasting everything that before it heads out to the table.
Well,
and stuff.
I mean,
and if it's not quite right, you're like, no, we need to fix this and make it the way you want.
This is a very much chef-driven restaurant, so it's very important for me to double check my crew. They double check me.
To start off our salad, Eduardo begins to slice roasted beet into different, unique shapes.
So these are the fermented beets.
Oh wow, this is gigantic.
Yeah, so we just took.
What kind of beet would this be?
This is a large, extremely large yellow beet, and we just put it on the slicer.
That is a big guy.
With all our beets sliced, Eduardo creates a vinaigrette for them using juice from a blood orange, salt, and oil.
So we're just gonna start building this dish as if we're in the restaurant.
Eduardo places down some cooked blood orange zest and smoked yogurt.
We'll change it up. We'll do a little classic French cannelle. And then we'll actually have fun with it.
And then smash it.
Now it's time to place our different beets. We top off our salad with onion flowers, our pistachio gremolata, and greens.
Do you ever look at a dish like this and think, it's too pretty to eat?
No way.
No way.
No way. And if that's the case, I'll just smash it and be like, all right, we can eat it now.
Now we can eat it.
It's now time to dig into our pretty enough to eat salad.
So get in there and get everything. The yogurt, the condiment. So you get that refreshing citrus note. You get that savory smoked yogurt. The beets are there. You get that earthy beet.
Beets are amazing.
Good job. You get a high five for that one?
Thank you.
To get Salare's recipe for beet salad, head over to wagrown.com.